Chalk Couture was founded in 2017 and it took off like a rocket from day one. And pretty quickly on, I knew as the CEO that we needed to have a charitable partner who was as passionate about making the world a better place as we were about making the world a beautiful place. So I set about trying to find a really great charitable partner that would align with Chalk Couture's values and its vibe. I wanted a partner who was big enough to be credible and be having real impact in the world, but small enough to care. Somebody who would care about this awesome Chalk Couture and create a great partnership. And so we were looking for an organization that focused on home and family and helping women really turn the lights on. And I really wanted a group that had a strong, passionate, visionary woman at its helm. And Watts of Love showed up, ticked all the boxes, so I placed a phone call to Chicago and I left a voicemail message and said, "Hi, I'm Christine. I'm the CEO of Chalk Couture, and I think I love what you do and would like to learn more." Nancy Economo, the amazing founder, called me back and we had a phone call that changed both our lives. We realized that Chalk Couture and Watts of Love share a lot in common, especially a passion for helping change people's lives one person at a time.
What I love about the Watts of Love and Chalk Couture partnership is we get to see purpose and passion come together. And not only that, but we've been able to see the Watts of Love Lighthouse being launched because of Chalk Couture. And the Lighthouse is when we raise up local people to train and teach local communities. And now we get to see the local people carry their purpose and their passion into communities and training and teaching people how to use their light along with the economic freedom that comes with the personal empowerment. So together we have lit over 13,000 homes, which means 91,000 lives have been impacted. And through your efforts, families in Malawi now have a brighter future.
So what Watts of Love and Chalk Couture have been able to do together since that amazing phone call in 2018, we're just getting started. The future is quite literally very bright. And because of Nancy's work and the amazing partnership and the generous heart of designers and our customers, we like to say that darkness doesn't stand a chance.